Hello everyone, Daria here and welcome to episode number 82 of the Slow Russian Language Podcast. Today is a special day, it's the 8th of March, the International Women's Day. And I'm not sure about how international it is because it seems that it's only celebrated properly in Russia, which is pretty amazing, and thank you for all the kind words that I received on social media. Today I'm not gonna tell you about this holiday and explain how we celebrate it, because I already did. Check out episode number 46, which is called Cherish Russian Women. So if you are interested in this topic, go to episode 46. Today, I just wanted to give you a couple of poems so you just can copy them and send to your, some female friend from Russia. So there are going to be two poems. One is addressed to a group of women, so maybe you have some Russian colleagues, and one is addressed to one person. So you can send it to someone. Okay, now let's read them slowly and I'll give a brief translation. So the first one. Женский день 8 марта поздравления принёс. Вы достойны бриллиантов, миллиона алых роз. Пусть душа поет от счастья, а в глазах сияет свет. Пусть удача и надежда будут с вами много лет. Pretty short one, so let's translate it. Женский день 8 марта поздравления принёс. So this Women's Day, Женский день, from the word женщина, a woman, Женский день, 8 марта, 8th of March, 8 марта. Поздравления принёс, has brought the celebrations, congratulations. You see this word поздравление and the verb поздравлять is kind of complicated in Russian. In English, you usually just say Happy New Year, Happy Birthday, Merry Christmas, and that's pretty much it. In Russian, we say it's not congratulate with some holiday, but that's what usually comes out of Russian people when they try to use some kind of a Russian English. That's why you hear from Russians something like, Happy birthday, I congratulate you on your birthday, because that's how we say it in Russian. Поздравляю с днем рождения. So I don't know how to translate it properly. This verb поздравлять is the process of saying those nice words like happy birthday, be happy, lots of health to you. In Russian we have a special verb поздравлять, and the noun is поздравление. So поздравление is this group of words, nice words that you say to someone on holidays. And so in this poem, the Women's Day, Женский день поздравления принёс. This day has brought those nice words. Okay, sorry for talking so much. The next one. You are worthy of brilliance and a million of scarlet roses. Вы достойны бриллиантов, миллиона алых роз. So, вы достойны бриллиантов. You are worthy of brilliance. It's genitive case here because you are worthy of something. In Russian, you show it with genitive. Вы достойны бриллиантов. Or maybe you are worthy of love. Достойны любви. for example, and a million of scarlet roses. Миллиона алых роз. So, a million in Russian is obviously миллион. Pay attention to the stressing here because it goes to O. Миллион. Миллион. Okay? And not just red roses. Красных роз. It's scarlet. Алых роз. So red is красный and scarlet, deep red, is алый. Алый. So one more time. Женский день, 8 марта, поздравления принёс. Вы достойны бриллиантов, миллиона алых роз. Okay, the next part. Next verse, actually. So, пусть душа поет от счастья, а в глазах сияет свет. So let the soul singing of happiness, or let your soul singing of happiness. Пусть душа поет от счастья. This construction, петь от счастья, again, it's genitive, so it's singing because of something. Поет от счастья. Счастье is happiness. Счастье. So let your soul sing of happiness. А в глазах сияет свет. And let the light shine in your eyes. Свет сияет в глазах. So сиять means to shine. For example, the sun is shining. Солнце сияет. Or maybe someone looks really happy and you can say, wow, you are shining. О, ты сияешь сегодня. Okay, the next part, and actually the last part. Пусть удача и надежда будут с вами много лет. Let the luck and hope be with you for many years. Пусть удача, luck, и надежда, hope, будут с вами много лет. Will be with you for many years. So, all together, пусть душа поет от счастья, а в глазах сияет свет, пусть удача и надежда будут с вами много лет. And now let's read it faster. Женский день, 8 марта, поздравления принёс. Вы достойны бриллиантов, миллиона алых роз. Пусть душа поет от счастья, а в глазах сияет свет. Пусть удача и надежда будут с вами много лет. And don't worry, the text will be in the show notes so you can read it and you can send it to your friends, Russian girls. And the next one is more personal. It's addressed to one person. So listen to me. В чудесный день 8 марта хочу тебе я пожелать жизнь не откладывать на завтра и никогда не унывать. Любви тебе желаю светлой, большой удачи на пути и каждый день с попутным ветром по жизни весело идти. Желаю чаще улыбаться, всегда шикарной дамой быть, такой же милой оставаться и счастью двери отворить. This one was longer, so let's quickly translate it. В чудесный день 8 марта хочу тебе я пожелать. In the marvelous day of 8th of March, I want to wish you. Again, в чудесный день 8 марта хочу тебе я пожелать. Again, it's a poem, so the order of words is tricky here. Actually, in normal conversation, what happens today with me? I started to celebrate too early, can't talk properly, I guess. Okay, so in normal speech, you would just say, я хочу тебе пожелать, or я хочу пожелать тебе. But in a poem, it's all different. Хочу тебе я пожелать. So it sounds more beautiful. Okay, so what does he want to wish? Not to put your life put away on tomorrow. So you know when you kind of only think about the future. Жизнь не откладывать на завтра. So it means just to live now, to live today. And never be sad. Никогда не унывать. Не унывать. It means not to become sad or depressed. So, жизнь не откладывать на завтра и никогда не унывать. Okay, the next part. I wish you the light love. I wish you bright love. Or light love. You know, it's like simple, nice, bringing joy. Doesn't mean that it's light colored, but in Russian it's the same word. Светлый. Светлый. So, любви тебе желаю светлой. And big luck on your way. Большой удачи на пути. Don't be surprised with the endings. It's all genitive case here. So all the adjectives, all the nouns are in genitive. Because I wish you something, in Russian you use genitive. So большой удачи на пути. On your way. На пути. Okay, and every day with a tailwind to go through your life. И каждый день с попутным ветром по жизни весело идти. Попутный ветер is tailwind, fair wind. In Russian it's попутный ветер. So to go with this light wind through your life. And the last part, I wish you to smile more often. Желаю чаще улыбаться. To smile in Russian is улыбаться. Okay, so I wish you to smile more often and always be a classy woman, like, chic woman. Here they even use the word dame, дамой. So this gorgeous woman, всегда шикарной дамой быть. And for men, it's actually a nice word. So if you want to make a compliment that some woman looks good, and you can say, ты выглядишь шикарно. It means you look gorgeous. Шикарно. It comes from the French word chic, right? So in Russian, it's шикарно. And the adjective шикарный. So he wishes her always to be as gorgeous as she is now. Okay, and the last part. Такой же милой оставаться. Always stay милый. I would translate it as sweet, nice, милая девушка. Cute girl, nice girl. And the last one, to open the doors for happiness. И счастью двери отворить. Отворить is a synonym of открыть. But again, it only works in poems, so don't use it in your everyday life. Okay, now let's read it all together from the beginning. В чудесный день 8 марта хочу тебе я пожелать жизнь не откладывать на завтра и никогда не унывать. Любви тебе желаю светлой, большой удачи на пути и каждый день с попутным ветром по жизни весело идти. Желаю чаще улыбаться, всегда шикарной дамой быть, такой же милой оставаться и счастью двери отворить. Okay, that's it. I hope you enjoyed those short poems. And if you have any Russian friends, women friends, don't forget to say some nice words to them today, because in Russia this holiday is a huge deal. And if you want to say some nice words to me, I'll be very happy. You can contact me on any social media. I'm always happy to talk. And for today, that's it. All you girls there, с 8 марта, с праздником. So I'm saying congratulations. Okay, that's it for today. Thank you very much for listening, and I hope to see you in the next episode of the Slow Russian Language Podcast. Bye-bye!